type of letter on an email, not just a question. We're going to have conversations like you would in a letter, like you would on a telephone. That's too hard sometimes to
Your picture
hear.
was upside down.
Okay? Once we get to know them, then we can see them face to face. First we met the group, so it's a friendship. We start slow. You don't know everything right away from somebody.